Hi, this is Mrs. Dedecker here to show you how you're going to enter your Bible verses and references into your Google Slides file that I shared with you under your classwork. So first of all, you go to your Google Classroom, which is 6Tech, and then here you're going to go right to this classwork tab. Once you're in the classwork tab, you can go right to the calendar project assignment, and you can see that I have assigned you. So it'll actually show your name here and the part of your last name. It's basically taking a portion of your Google account. So you just click on this, and I have some more information that you can read through. But what I want you to do for this portion of the assignment, which is due next Tuesday, October 6th, or whatever, or check your Google Classroom for the date it is due. So here I'm just doing your name. So here I would just enter your name, or you could just, here I could just enter my name here. But I want you to enter your first and last name, and this will already be in there, so you won't have to enter that. But you just make sure that the year is the next January year. So then once you do that, then you'll see you have several months here. These are called your calendar facing pages. So I have all the way through December. So you'll have 13 slides, which is correct. So on the top, this is what's called a cover page. So this is the first page that they will see, and then you would flip it up and see January. So now what I'm going to do is we're just going to do our Bible verses. So if you have a list of Bible verses that are your favorite and you're ready to enter them, you could go ahead and just add a text box. So all you have to do is click on text box, and then you're going to make kind of a box with it. You just click there, and then you're going to either type in your Bible verse, or if you like to look up certain Bible verses, I have done searches like what are the favorite Bible verses. You could just enter this search. You just simply open up another tab and do a search. Or if you have a particular Bible verse you want to look up, you could actually look up a particular Bible verse too, if you're not sure. Now this is what's known as the reference here, John 3:16, which I also want you to include in your Bible verse. So let's say we're going to use John 3:16. I'm going to copy that and put it right into my text box here. Now I need to put the actual Bible verse text. So now I'm going to go back here and I'm going to see what my search yielded. And it shows here, for God so loved the world as to give his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him may not perish, but have life everlasting. I just love that verse. So I'm going to just copy. You can actually copy this, Control C, and then go back to your slides file and then go Control V or paste. There's different ways you can do it. You can actually right click and paste like that too through the context menu. So hopefully that helps there. So now you want to do a unique Bible verse on every single month. So you have to think of another one. That's where this favorite Bible verses might come in handy, because it'll give you a bunch of Bible verses. So I'm going to just click on this link, and it's going to share with me the top 10 most popular Bible verses. Of course, it's got John 3:16 already. Oh, I love this one too. And you can simply copy it. Here we got Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. So you can simply highlight that and then go Control C and go back to your tab where your actual slides file is. And then you have to grab another text box. So you got to put the text, because you need to leave those months in there. so we know which page goes with which page of the bottom of the calendar, which will be the Google Calendar, which you did previously. So here I'm going to just paste this, and if you want, you can change the font of it. I would say make it do that by here's the actual font size. You just click into this box and you can make it, I would say 14, or at least I would make it bigger, because you really want it to show up, because this is really something important, I believe, for all of your calendars. And you still have plenty of room to put a large picture there for later. So basically this assignment is real simple for starters. You're just going to enter your Bible verses in each of your months. So now we just did January. Now you could do February. Go back to these most popular ones. Maybe you could use this Romans. And, kind of look at them and see if they're ones that actually inspire you, or if you know of other ones, feel free to look them up. And then you go back here, and I'm going to show you, you have to grab a new text box every time. So here I'm just going to grab another text box and then go Control V. And actually for this time I'm going to show you, a lot of you actually do it this way. So you just right click in this box and then you click paste. Oh, but sometimes you get this, so then I would just do the Control V then. And you can try it once or twice after you get that message. Sometimes it just takes a couple of tries. I know I got that before, but don't do doing any installing, because you won't be able to. So hopefully that helps. You're just going to do it for each of the 12 months. So you have to go all the way through to December and put a Bible verse in there as well. So you're going to do all these months. So it may seem like a little bit of work, but I think it would only take you, if you know what your Bible verses are ahead of time, it goes a lot quicker. So hopefully that helps. And then when you're done for the time being, you can actually just click this close button and it automatically saves it for you. So you just click that and you're all set. Thanks. Bye.